Hi, superstars! Glad you're watching again. Right here, right now in this video, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 14 divided by 14 over 38, then times 38. First we do this multiplication. 14 over 38 times 38. We can easily cancel this 38 and this 38. So here we have this 14 only, and 14 divided by 14 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 14 divided by 14 over 38. To do this division, write down the 14, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 38 over 14. And here again we have times 38. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 14 and this 14, which gives 38. And here again we have times 38. So here we have this 38 times 38, which equals 1444. And this is our final answer to this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more exciting content.